This is August the 8th, 2012. August the 8th, 2012. This is sunset from the St. Francis Yacht Club. Looking out over the Golden Gate with the sun setting there. And I will rotate out here to the north, and we'll see what we can see here. Change the views just a little bit. There's the North Tower of San Francisco, and the ends of the races, from the Wednesday night races. And we'll come around and show you Alcatraz Island in the East Bay, and this is San Francisco Yacht Club. Or no, excuse me, St. Francis Yacht Club. St. Francis Yacht Club, August 8th, 2012. There's Angel Island. This is Sausalito over here. And let's see if I can get this iris to change a little bit. Get a view of the sun. There's the old sun. August 8th, 2012, St. Francis Yacht Club.